find the center and radius of the circle. X squared plus y squared minus 6x plus 8y minus 7 equals 0. And recall that the standard form of a circle is given by, let me write over here, x minus h quantity squared plus y minus k quantity squared is equal to r squared, where hk is the center. So center is hk and radius is r. So from this equation we need to find the center, that means hk, and radius r. Okay, for we need to put this in this form. Okay, some quantity square plus another quantity square equals quantity square, number square. So it's like completing the square. Okay, we have x square 6x here, so x square 6x. So we need to put that together just in one place. Look at this standard form. We have x only in only one place, and something x minus some number is squared. Okay, something y minus some number is squared. So we need to combine these two and complete the square. And recall what we learned earlier, when we have, like, say x squared plus bx, then we add half of b squared. Okay, when we add this, and to make it balance we have to subtract at the same time, then this completes the square. So we get some quantity square, x plus or minus, and this is half of b. Okay, this is how we complete the square. If it is y, same thing. So here we got, so let me write what we need to write, x squared. So let me put this together, negative 6x and plus y squared plus 8y, and move this number over, so add 7 to the both sides, so plus 7 plus 7, so 7. Now we need to complete a square here and same thing here. Sometimes you might only get y squared. At that time you don't have to complete the square, because if you have y squared, that is same as y minus 0 quantity squared, and done. But we need to do twice here. Okay, let me erase this. For we need to add a nice number here, same thing here, and when we add something here and here, we have to do the same thing on the right hand side, because this is an equation, so we have to make it balance. Okay, so for the first, here we need to add half of negative 6. Half of negative 6 is negative 3, and negative 3 squared, negative 3 quantity squared, which is 9. So we need to add 9 so that we get a complete square. Okay, and here half of 8 is 4, and 4 square is 16, so we need to add 16. And whatever we add in the left hand side, we do the same in the right. So plus 9 plus 16, so plus 9 plus 16. Now from these three we have some quantity squared, so we completed the square. Same thing here. Okay, that is, now this is some quantity square, and plus, it must be plus, and some quantity square. In the right hand side we have 16 plus 9, 25, 25 plus 7, 32. Here this will be x squared, just x, and negative sign negative. This was 3 squared, so 3, x minus 3 quantity square. You can check, you can multiply x minus 3 by itself, just FOIL x minus 3 with x minus 3, you'll get x squared minus 6x plus 9. Similarly, here's y plus sign, and 16 was 4 squared, so y plus 4 quantity square. If you FOIL y plus 4 with y plus 4, you get this back. Now this is in the form here, this is the standard form. Let me write one more step. X minus 3 quantity square is like x minus h square, y minus k is plus, but we can always write y minus negative 4. Okay, y minus k is negative 4 square equals 32. This is not a perfect square number, but we can always write root 32 squared, because square and square root cancel, so we have 32. So from this we have the center hk, that is 3. Okay, look at no negative, just x minus h, y minus k is negative 4, 3 comma negative 4, that's the center. And radius is just r square, so r is square root of 32. We can simplify, by the way. 32 is 16 times 2, because 16 is a perfect square number, so I want to write in this way, 16 times 2, and 16 is 4 root 2. Okay, that's the radius final.